Take 3. Again. Don't die on me, phone. Summer EDC, okay. Let's see if I can actually do this. Summer EDC. Rewards cards. Wallet with zombie hunter permit. Keys. Yeah. Wrench. It works. Oh. Wow. I am terrible at that. Why can't I get good lighting? Let me go right back up. Gerber shard. Flathead, bottle opener, and a Phillips. Ozark Trail multi-tool. I won't show you the file. Kind of disgusting. Because I actually file. I actually use my file to file paint sometimes. So it looks like someone just shit all over it. I'm not going to show you that, but the file gets used. Flathead. I believe this is a bottle opener too. If you knew. Well, I guess I'll show you the. It also has a serrated blade. You can't pick it up on the camera for some reason. So there we go. It's like a saw blade. This is a miniature flathead. Now my foot's itching. Bottom of my foot. I'll show you that. We got wire cutters right here. On this side, oh my gosh. I just can't do this today. Actual knife. Okay, there's a Phillips. Another string tool on it. You can tell I don't use this very much. Can opener, bottle opener, you name it. This one's interesting. I'm not really sure what it's for, but I use it to pick like dirt out of my nails. It'd be cool if somebody told me what this is for. Right now it's being used to pick dirt out of my fingers. Yes, I garden. I garden with my mom. Actually, I water the flowers for her. Because she works from 12 o'clock p.m. to 12 in the morning. That's what happens when you work as a manager. Gerber 06 safety switch. You should all know this. Soft metal. Not the greatest. I don't care. It's one of the first expensive knives I ever bought. I think I paid like $54 for that. And then little multi-tool bottle opener. Get these on third time. This blade. Actually, I can show you. If you got packaged like this, you got plastic right here. You can easily slice it. It's a. I wish I had a better example. Well, that's a package opener. You know, one of those packages that when you open with scissors, it's like, oh, it's not going to open. Don't know what kind of blade that is, but it's a blade. Yeah. Get in here. I guess see something else. Nope, that's it on that side. But this I used open mail letters. This side, scissors. I don't like them. Don't. And this Gerber dime, our Kmart before it closed. I got it for like $1. Little flathead. It's a flathead. No, this one's the flathead. I don't know what that one was. This one's the flathead. Of course, I got my G6. I'm still rocking that. I am planning on upgrading to G7 here pretty soon. Because out here it's got a better camera. I'm trying not to mess with as much because my cord, I need to get a new one. Yeah, I actually find it. In the summer, I actually do carry this in my pocket. My medical book. It's got all the medications I take, all the suggestions I have or questions I got for doctors. I'll go in here and tells me what medications I take. And of course, I'm gonna be rocking my tactical pen, little window breaker. I think this is the longest video I ever made. There's the pen. No tool flathead bottle opener. This is the bottle opener, I believe. Yeah. Flashlight on it, but I took the batteries out because the flashlight sucked. It wasn't even bright enough to just it wasn't. Trying to be careful touching this. It wasn't brighter than this. Or let's say, yeah, we might go offline here. Ooh, I gotta get those fish next. It was worse than this, a Maglite. Yeah, it was worse than. I'm not saying that's bad, because I have a old Maglite, if I can get it. Old one. I tried to upgrade the looms on this, and it's still pretty bad. This, my self-defense under my bed. You never know when. What was the word? You never know when ninjas are going to come out of your bed. That's what I was always told. See here, iPad Mini 2. Yeah, iPad Mini 2. Oh man. I will lay this out, but my room's kind of destroyed. My 2DS. And you're wondering how I'm gonna carry all this stuff. Well, summer bag. Did I do a video on my summer bag? I don't think I did. I think I could do that right now. Alright, I think that's it. I really need to clean my light. It's really dusty. So, bye.